comes the pie party love.
This family album starts out with the investiture of Yvette as a patrol leader in her guide group. So let's now go to the guide hall. Traditional ceremony now closes. Of course the children have other activities and we find one. Well, of course eventually darkness falls and the major event of course will soon take place. Oh, what's this? Ah yes, we're starting to see the ignition point, and so the match is applied and the ceremonial burning of Guy starts to take place. Oh, what a fine conflagration we have here. A little spirit of the event poured on the fire and things start to get underway. Fire. Well, we seem to have a fine conflagration going on here. All of the best traditions. And how beautiful it looks too. All the colours of the fire. But let's listen to the hilarity and good fun as the neighbourhood folks gather round for the ceremonial destruction of that poor guy.
Yes.
Well, looks like he's all fired up with enthusiasm there, and here's this poor fella. They're really burning it up there. So I'm afraid that that's the end of that guy, and we'll have to wait a whole year for another one. So in the meantime, let's just join the people as they just have fun.
Where do you live? Hey? Where do you live? No, neither does.
Just like that.
You have to keep away from it and keep it away from the tree. You might... Yeah, here goes the beauty. That's a good one, that one.
Well, the guys all lit up, and the kids now have fun with their sparklers, and they do make a pretty sight as they waft them around in the darkness. And of course now the normal explosive crackers, so traditional of Guy Fawkes, are no longer allowed by law. And so the children enjoy the rather more spectacular and less explosive kind of fireworks. And we hope that this will result in less damage and serious injury to children and adults alike as we enjoy the spectacle of the 5th of November. This is the 5th of November 1976 and enjoyed by the local populace in and around Sanders Road, Frankston. And we now leave the Guy Fawkes celebrations and bring something different to the